Hey guys, Christine here of Side Street Design, and today I wanted to have a little bit of an experimental play. I was watching some of those Tim Holtz hack videos, and Tim talked about how you could take his Christmas trees and you could tint them using his sprays. So that got me thinking, I have a bunch of the Dylusions Shimmer Sprays. I wonder if I could make some shimmer trees the way Tim used his inks to stain the trees, and I thought maybe you guys would like to see what would happen as well. Now, the trees I'm using are the small tree lot. They're the 5-pack, so they're kind of tiny. He had the slightly larger one, so I don't know how that'll affect it. So I've got my box for spraying. As you can see, I've got my gloves on to protect my hands because I had my nails done all fancy for a party, so I'm trying to protect them. And I've got all my shimmer sprays, so let's just have a play and see what happens. I'm gonna get this shaken up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so the first one I want to try is the crushed grape. I'm just gonna hold on to this guy, and I'm probably gonna get it all over my new Fitbit, but hey. And there we go. And now I did want to try that one little effect he had where you dip a little bit of it in the water. I didn't have any containers bigger than this, so I'm just dipping a little bit. The top part. See if I can get a little more this way. The shimmer is coming off a little bit. And now I'm going to go ahead. I've got hair in this, of course. I'm going to move the box. I've got some paper towels here to kind of just blot that up a little bit. And let's see how it looks. Oh wow, that's going to be pretty in the studio this year. And there you go guys, you can totally use the shimmer sprays and get a very pretty ombre effect. And you're going to have some of that Dylusions shimmer. Check that out. I'm trying to see if in the light, it does have a bit of an iridescent sheen, but I don't know if that's, yeah, because this doesn't have an iridescent. So you do get some of the iridescent sheen. So let's do another one. That was fun. So we're going to have a purple tree. Let's see another color here. Get my box back. How about we try a blue? I've got 5 here, so we'll go through them all. I'll be right back after I shake this one up. Alright guys, I am back, and now I'm going to test the London blue. Here we go. Oop. Make sure I get it more in the box. And this one I think I'm running a little low on. Whoop. Oh, I'm shaking it wrong, I think. Yeah, I just busted it. But even that is pretty. You can still see some of the white through it. Look at that. I may just leave that as it is. I kind of like the look of that one. You've got, as the light hits it, this beautiful shimmer. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and I need a little more water. Alright, let's get some water in this one. And now the blue, since it ran out, has got a lot of the white still on it, but I like the look of that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and dunk the tip. And you do know that the Dylusions is water reactive like the alcohol ink sprays. And go ahead and get this one blotted. And there we go. It's got kind of a cool striped effect on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and keep going and get all 5 dyed in some fun colors. Here we go. Alright guys, so there we go. So if you don't happen to have the Ranger alcohol inks for spraying, you can still make beautiful multicolored trees using your dilution spray, and you get the beautiful pop of the dilution colors, and you get the iridescence. Like, as I look at this, the tips are actually glistening. So you get the beautiful shimmer of the mica sprays, or even if you have your regular dilution inks, these may work as well. And just remember, like the other alcohol inks and everything, these, if you get them wet, they will run. But that's it guys. I just want to try real quick to see if my dilution sprays, which I love to use my shimmer sprays, if they would work, since I don't have the Tim Holtz ones, and they do. So for those of you who love your dilutions, can you picture these in maybe a shadow box with some of the dilution stamp cutouts for the holidays? Just another great craft idea guys. So thanks for hanging out. If you liked the video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all my latest releases. Thanks for crafting with me guys.